Hi friends! Today we will learn the usage of hyphens. So let's start. This is the symbol of hyphen. First of all, there should be no space around hyphens. Here we have few examples where hyphens are used. And you can see there are no spaces around hyphen. This is a tiny two-seater car. Here we use hyphen between two and seater and no spaces around the hyphen. Now let's learn rules regarding the usage of hyphen, or why and when do we use hyphens. The role of hyphens is to join two or more elements in a sentence. They join words that collectively describes a noun. Example: Amelia is one of the non-serious candidates in the election. Here, non-serious collectively describes the noun candidate, so hyphen is used to join the two words non and serious. Let's have a look at another example. This small accident is going to be a never-to-be-forgotten lesson in my life. Here, 4 words, never to be forgotten, collectively describes the word lessons. That is, they have common meaning, never to be forgotten. These 4 words are acting as one word. Here are some more examples of glued words. Double-minded attitude. Here, double-minded, 2 words are glued together with the help of hyphen because they have common meaning. Single-sided tape. Here again, the 2 words, single and sided, have a common meaning, so we have glued them with a hyphen. Let's see what will happen if we don't use hyphen in these words. Single-sided tape. Here, no hyphen is there, so it has 2 meanings. Either it should mean single, sided tape, and sided tape has no meaning. And other one is single-sided tape, which has some meaning, that is, a tape which has glue on one side. Here we have the other word. Double-minded attitude. No hyphen is there. It has 2 meanings. Either it is double-minded attitude, that is, double-minded are glued, or other one is double-minded attitude. The word minded attitude is no meaning. So there is ambiguity if you do not glue together the word that are supposed to mean together. Let's have more examples. Never to be forgotten lessons in life. Here we have no hyphen in this sentence, so there is ambiguity in sentence. You can read it as never to be forgotten lessons in life. That is, forgotten lesson may mean together, and other can be never to be forgotten lessons in life. They can be more, never, to be forgotten lessons in life. So there is a lot of ambiguity which words are supposed to mean together. So we need hyphen. As we want to glue together never to be forgotten. As never to be forgotten, this phrase is supposed to modify the noun lessons. Never to be forgotten lessons in life. So this is why hyphen play a very important role in gluing together the word which are supposed to mean together and modifying a noun collectively. Here we have another interesting example. It is a yellowish brown orange. No hyphen is there. So what is the meaning of this sentence? We are talking about yellowish brown orange or a yellowish brown orange. so there is ambiguity. If it's yellowish brown orange, you need to have a hyphen between yellowish and brown. If it's yellowish brown orange, you need a hyphen between brown and orange. Let's have some examples of words that are glued together with help of hyphens. 4-seater car, 2-wheeler vehicle, 12-hour show, 6-page folder. If we don't use hyphen between these words, so there may arise ambiguity. Now let's learn the next use of hyphens. We also use hyphen while writing the age of a person or a thing. Let's have an example. This picture is of a 3-year-old child. Here you can see 2 hyphens are used in expressing the age. You cannot write, "This picture is of a 3-year-old child," or "The picture is of a 3-year-old child." But you can write, "This picture is of a 3-year-old child." With 2 hyphens, that is, you need to glue together this 3 words, 3-year-old, which is acting as a common adjective noun, child. You can also write, "This picture is of 3-year-old child." That is, no hyphen required. Why? Because if you mention the period of time in plural form, then you don't need to use hyphen. And here we are mentioning the years, not year. Let's have more examples. This book was written 10 years back. Here, no hyphen is required because we are using the plural form of the period of time, year. That is, years. So, you will write, "Book was written 10 years back." No hyphen required. This book was written 10 years back. Then you need hyphen. Another example. This tree is 100-year-old. So, we have used hyphens. We can also write, "This tree is 100 years old," with no hyphen. Now let's learn another use of hyphen. All the numbers from 21 to 99 are written using hyphens. Now let's learn another use of hyphen. Hyphens are also used in writing down fractions. Let's see. She has painted more than 1/4 of the wall with red color. Here we have used hyphen to write a fraction 1/4. He gave 1/3 portion of the pizza to his friend. Here we have used hyphen to write a fraction 1/3. 3/4 portion of this figure is blue. Here again, fraction is written with the help of hyphen. We do not use hyphen if fractions are written using the articles a or an. Let's have examples. More than 1/2 of the wall is covered with greenery. Here we use article a before the fraction more than 1/2 of the wall. So we have not used any hyphen. Less than 1/3 of my project is left. Here again we write fraction using the article a, so we have not used any hyphen. Hyphens are also used in joining a single letter with a word. Let's have examples. X-ray, A-line, B grade, A grade, L-shaped, U grade, S-shaped. Now let's learn another use of hyphen. Hyphens are also used with prefixes and suffixes. Not all, but some prefixes and suffixes need a hyphen. In most cases, hyphen may or may not be used, It all depends whether there is clarity in the meaning or there ambiguity. Hyphen is always used to remove ambiguity and bring clarity. Let's learn examples where hyphen are used in prefixes and suffixes. Mid-1980s, reappear, prepone, pre-wedding shoot, non-veg, non-interested, D10, demonetize or demonetize, colorless, pre-British, reappear, reconstruct, trans-American, mid-December, Anglo-Indian. So in some cases, we use hyphen, but in many cases you can avoid hyphen. Parenthood, childhood, carelessness, helpless, demonetize, prepone, non-availability. So in case of prefixes and suffixes, hyphens are not mandatory, but it can be used. Now let's see some examples of hyphen in writing family relations. Brother-in-law, sister-in-law, grandparents, stepmother. So you can use hyphen in writing the relations. But in many relations, you can write it without hyphens. Grandparents, grandson, granddaughter, grandma, grandpa. So friends, hyphen can or cannot be used in writing family relation. Not all family relations need hyphen, but some do need. Now you can go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye!
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!